In this video, we will understand self-induction. To understand self-induction, it's important to first understand Faraday's law and Lenz's law. The link to the video is provided in the description of this video. Let's consider an electrical circuit where a bulb is connected through wires to a battery. And there's also a switch to turn the circuit on and off. As soon as we turn on the switch, current starts flowing through the circuit, and the bulb begins to glow. Even when we repeatedly turn the switch on and off, we still get the same result. Now, let's connect a metallic coil in this circuit. This coil has a certain number of turns and it is connected in series. Now, when we turn on the switch, we notice that the bulb gradually starts to glow. Similarly, when the switch is turned off, the bulb doesn't instantly turn off but gradually dims. Let's understand why this happens. When current passes through the coil, it creates a magnetic field around it. This magnetic field increases or decreases along with the current. According to Faraday's first law, whenever there is a change in the magnetic field within a coil, it generates a current in that coil. This current known as induced current. This induced current flows in the opposite direction to the source current. When the source current increases in the coil, the induced current in the coil also increases. This induced current opposes the source current. As a result, there is a slight delay in the bulb reaching its maximum current value, causing it to gradually glow instead of suddenly turning on. The induced current continues until the source current achieves its maximum value. As soon as the source current reaches its maximum value in the coil, the induced current stops flowing. This happens because when the current becomes constant, there is no change in the magnetic field. This process is known as self-induction. Self-induction can be defined as: self-induction is the property of a current-carrying coil that resists or opposes the change of current flowing through it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.